shaking. It hurts so bad.
Welcome to another video.
Oh my god. This video.
So we're not competitive eaters, but we are competitive against each other. So today, this is what we're doing. We've actually done this challenge before, so we added our own little twist to it.
Not on the channel. We've done this.
We've done this with other families and friends for their channel, but this is our first time doing it on this channel. So we will be having this, one of each, for each of us, and then Dairy Queen Blizzards.
I added that part.
Yeah, he added that part.
We got them 2 days ago, and they're in the freezer, and now they're
really hard, so they have to defrost a little bit. So while they're defrosting, we'll be cooking this. And we're gonna be eating this as fast as possible, and then that as fast as possible.
If they defrost,
they will. We'll maybe microwave it a little bit. They're kind of hard. But I have, okay. Don't do that, it's falling out.
No, it's not.
Oh, I thought it was slipping. So I got it's one of their new ones right now. It's the raspberry fudge, I believe.
Oh yeah, and I got one of the OGs, the New York cheesecake.
Yeah.
Hey, help me.
Royal New York cheesecake. So, so this as fast as possible and this as fast as possible. So burn your tongue, burn your head.
Brain. Freeze your brain.
So, and these are mediums, which are actually really big too.
Dude, they're so hard.
It's fine. So we're gonna go cook this and we'll get back to you real soon.
Let's go. Wow.
It's ready.
I'm so excited.
So this is what it looks like. It's not as red as what the packet looks like, but the packet looked like that.
Hell. Just say hell.
It looked like that. So we have that, and then we have our blizzards that are now kind of melting a little bit, so it'll be a little bit easier to eat. It dripped on. Oh. That's why I said, cheater.
Oh yeah. Go ahead. Take it. Uh-oh. Need napkins.
That's what these napkins are for. Oh,
no, for the thing. For the blizzards.
And then we do have a timer too. We're gonna start it and it's gonna count down from 10. So, rules. You have to finish all of this before starting on your blizzard.
That's it?
Yeah.
We have forks, we have spoons.
This is your fault.
This is your...
His fault. Are you ready?
Don't say spicy and not specify how spicy you want something. Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, hold on. I'm already getting sweaty.
I've been sweaty. So excited. Oh my god.
I want to make sure it's cool enough for me to eat really fast too.
Okay.
Ready? Ready?
What are we calling this? The Spicy Blizzard Challenge?
Stupid. I guess.
Spicy
Blizzard Challenge. You got the fire, you got the ice, and all the pain. Okay. Good.
Start? Did it start?
It's gonna count down. Water? Are we allowed to have water?
Yeah.
Okay, because I'm dying already. Did we do a whole packet before? Seems like a lot of noodles. Oh my gosh. I don't think I can finish. I'm dying.
I hate you.
I can't do it. Does it make it better? I'm cheering you on.
I'm shaking. It hurts so bad.
I can't do it. I'm sorry. I can't do it. I lost. I officially lost.
I want that brain freeze to come so bad.
So hot. Eat it faster. I don't know how you finished that. I need more napkins. You need more napkins? I need more napkins. Oh.
This is not helping.
Mm-mm. Yeah, I'm gonna get you some milk. We got milk.
It hurts. It hurts so bad. This blizzard is too big.
Too much. And you wanted a large. You finished already?
Stop the time. Stop the time.
Oh gosh.
Well done.
Around 6 minutes. You are the winner. You can have you have that win.
It's enough for me. My stomach hurts so bad. Bye. Please like and subscribe.
What he said. You want me to stop it? You okay?
No, my tongue is on fire.
I'm sorry.
I'm so full. Oh my god.
Do you want some milk? I got you some milk. You might help with your mouth. Just like leave it in your mouth.
No, I can't. I'm so full.
Okay. You want an ice cube?
Is that gonna help?
It might just keep your mouth cold at least.
Yeah. Ice cube. I don't know what thing I can use. Is it still going?
Yeah.
I hate you. Go away. You're not even in the shot anymore.
That's the face of a champion right now. You did it. You won.
That sucked.
He won. He deserved it.
You're so hot. My stomach doesn't know what temperature to be.
Just hot.
I'm so full. It's like I ate a whole tube of icy hot.
That's really gross.
But-
Is your mouth still on fire?
Yes.
My mouth is still on fire. I didn't even finish it. I got like that much left. It's actually still a good amount left.
Dude, you took a bite and quit.
No, I didn't. Roll that back. I did not take a bite and quit. But I tried and I was like, oh, nope. It's not working out this time.
My stomach. I was shaking the whole time.
He's talking on some ice cubes.
The blizzard was not cold at all.
It's pretty cold to me. It's probably not cold compared to your tongue. You're number one. You're number one. We hope you liked this episode of M versus K. He won it all. I'm okay with not winning. I get to enjoy my blizzard at least.
That one for all the K's out there.
All you M's, got you on the next one, maybe. Make sure you like the video if you like the video and you like our pain. Make sure to subscribe because
I can't see your face.
Oh, subscribe. Subscribe to see more. And comment down below, let us know what you guys want us to do next, possibly. Maybe.
Ow, my stomach hurts.
Till next time. Bye guys. Hope you're staying safe in quarantine and not going crazy like we are.
Oh my god, guys.
Or dying. Love you guys.
Oh my god.
Are you gonna drink this milk?